Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Tony here. Just want to show you my aquaponics setup. Check them out. My update. Again, it's December. I want to show you what's going on in my garden. Alright, you can see my lettuce. They're suffering out here. It's hot in Hawaii, but they're a little bit withery. Yeah, they're growing really well, so check this out. You can see my water still flowing down here. Water flowing, but there's my plants. I just want to show you something else right here. I got this eggplants growing and they're yellow. Check this out. I've never seen like yellow eggplant before, but my plant's doing really good. It's really healthy, dark green leaves. Here's my basil. My basil's doing good also, dark green leaves. So yeah, you have to make sure you add iron all the time. So I add iron to my water, which makes my leaves turn green. They're really dark green now, so I'm happy about that. So right here is I've got some Manoa lettuce. This is how Manoa lettuce grows, guys. So you saw them when they were really small. So when they're really small, Manoa lettuce looks like this. Here's a sample. This is what Manoa lettuce looks like when it's small. I just hide them in here in my aquaponics garden like this. Keep it in the shade so that it still stays alive and they still grow a little bit so that it'll be more resistant to the weather out here in Hawaii. It's really hot, but there you can see my Manoa lettuce growing down here. Some more Manoa lettuce growing. They kind of grow tall here because they're gonna bolt pretty soon, like that. Some lettuce bolting already. Here's what they look like when they're not bolting. Everything is going well. They look like that. Look at the leaves, they're pretty beautiful. Do have some Buttercrunch lettuce in here, but most of this is Manoa lettuce. Check it out. Growing pretty good. Still need about a month to go. Usually take at least a month and a half. And then down here, I got my tilapias for my first videos. That's how big they've grown already. I try to keep my tanks clean, and they eat ground up fish food still. They're eating my big fish food. And I got a hang on the back filter in the back going, see, marina. Hang on the back filter. Forgot what size it is, but yeah, it's a pretty big one. You guys can see that keeps them happy. And I got a sponge filter down here going. Yep, it's my aquaponics. Some of my other videos, growing garlic in containers. Right there's the garlic, they're growing. And here's the ginger. It's growing pretty good. Alright, just a little update. There's my spinach. My spinach is really overgrown now, guys, but we love spinach. It's pretty good for you. It has a lot of health benefits for eating spinach. For diabetics, it said it helps you guys out, for diabetics. And then here's my tumeric plant. It's growing pretty big. And there's my tilapia down here, guys. That's how big they've grown. I'm just going to show you a little bit in a minute. I'll feed them. But yeah, my garden right now, you can see all my spinach is like huge, guys. This is what happens when you have successful aquaponics. It'll grow like this. I mean, yeah, you could trim it back, but we really like spinach so much that I don't want to trim it back. I want to keep growing it so that I can keep eating it. But here's what I feed my tilapia. Watch this, guys. They're just gonna go crazy. You ready? Watch them. I know they're kind of shy, but check them out eating. So they look like when they eat, they just gobble the food right down. And you can see in the background, I need to clean my filter already. See the water just from my pipe on the top. It's coming out real slow. I'll clean that later on today. Oh, they're big. Tilapias are big. Then you look at my ponds. My water hyacinths are growing really good. They're really dark. So I have more little baby tilapias in there. Even in here. You can see they're like right down in here. There's my other tilapia. They're in that pond. They love it in there. They're growing pretty good. Well, guys, that was my update on my aquaponics out here. The spinach is really good though, you guys. If you like this content, hit the like button. I'll be shooting more videos again, updates, some more filter cleaning videos, things like that. This is what my aquaponics looks like outside. If you like this thing, please hit the subscribe button, support my channel, show some love. Alright guys, happy holidays. Wow, there's my lettuce again. It's beautiful.